All right, I got a request for a new inTech toy hauler, but the request didn't really come with a lot of details as to which the floor plan is. So I'm over here looking at all of them. There is a big OVR model at the end that's a toy hauler that looks pretty cool from what I can tell. However, the dealership that's set up here decided to use probably their best RV as the sales manager's office. So you can't go in there. Not sure how they're trying to sell things when they're using things. That aside, that's just this dealership. So what we're gonna do, Tanya and the girls took a peek inside this OVR that's right behind me. It's not a toy hauler, but it has a lot of the same aesthetic. They like it. Thing looks like a spaceship from Star Trek on the inside. Let's take a look at that one, shall we? So it's right there, look at that, spare tire right on the front. These things are built for off-roading, overlanding, whatever OVR stands for. Let's explore and check it out. And let's start out here at the front. This is one of those where you have got the refrigerator and this griddle out here in this very long pull-out, essentially outdoor kitchen. I love this kind of stuff. You got your freezer slash fridge right there. Nice suburban griddle. Slides all the way into the nose of the RV. And then you've got like a workspace right here that just mounts to the outside, as well as another panel here that's like storage, which has got lights right there. Bathroom lights. Oh, okay. A little confused by that. Nice rugged looking tires. Aluminum frame. I'd love to look further at the suspension on this thing. Got kind of more of an old school style step right there. I believe people can make an argument for why those are still relevant, especially in the overlanding style RV. So as you enter in this, you got a little place to put your coats, coat hooks. We got some cute little lights. Very futuristic looking cabinets. Kind of have a self-closing feeling to them. Neat swivel table right there. Television. I love the blue lights everywhere. Great sink. Let's see, how do I do? A little bit of a fear of hitting my head, but it's not too bad. I love this faucet though. That's always been a favorite of mine. Dometic 2-burner propane stove. Some hooks right there to hang up some pans or other utensils. Interesting. Is that an LED strip? I can't tell. It is! Here's Kira to help us with this review.
Oh, did you already check out the bathroom?
No.
They're RV doors.
Oh, it's like...
You're used to this? It's like walking into a new RV.
So this is the toilet and the sink, but there's no shower. There's a fan overhead. It's not a max fan. Have no fear, there are max fans. There's a window. Is that blind like ours? Is it a blackout blind? It is.
It's like exactly.
Show us the shower, Kira.
The shower is very dirty.
Look at it. They have insulation on those doors, like exterior doors. There is the shower with a mirror. Yeah, people have been stepping in it like, you know, me. So will I fit? Will I fit?
Will fit.
Yeah, close the door. Let's see how this, close the door.
Woo!
I am now in the shower. All right, so my head has to go between the lights. Can you see that? Into the vent fan up there. Otherwise, it's about 6'3" to 6'2". I'd say 6'3". Got the handheld shower right there. It's got a bit of a bench to it. Gets dark in here, that's for sure. You've got this stuff. Looks like you can, I don't know, do a string between those. You can definitely see yourself in this RV shower. Interesting. It's definitely warmer in there because it's, look at the insulation on these doors. But wow, look at this bedroom. We've got a TV on a swivel here. We've got a barn style door. AC, lights, max fan. Oh, there's a max fan right there. I'm loving all the blue accent lights. What about, you could hang like 4 shirts in there. Not a whole lot. Imagine laying here on this bed, looking up out this window, seeing, I don't know, the solar eclipse, totality. All in all, this is pretty cool. I would think somehow you could sleep somebody here. Not entirely certain how that would work. Tankless hot water heater. So I love these inTechs for their beefy tires and beefy axles to help them go with overlanding. The futuristic look inside is always fun. It looks like if you're a Star Trek fan, this is the RV for you. I think it looks like it'd be a great RV. I just wanted to make a comment about this RV review. I didn't do the best that I could with this one, and I want to apologize to the people that requested we do a review on this one. My heart wasn't as in it, because as I was doing the review of this RV, I discovered that I lost my Insta360 camera. So I kind of stopped filming for a moment. We frantically were looking all over the places, everywhere we had last stepped for about 45 minutes, and then realized that that camera was gone. Somebody must have picked it up and took it. It had footage on it from various different RVs we'd reviewed, and of course, losing a camera that's, I mean, it's not a $5 camera. It's more than a $10 camera. It's kind of heartbreaking to see that kind of money disappear. So once again, I apologize that I did not do a better review for you of this RV. It was a great looking RV. There was a lot of cool stuff. Felt like a Star Trek spaceship inside this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that y'all have a wonderful week. Remember that life happens, even losing some expensive equipment. Don't let that stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.